My name is Teacher Cami, and welcome to Lingo Star. Today, our lesson is, can all birds fly? Now, I want you to look at me and listen to me. Are you ready? Great. Then let's get started. Let us begin by singing the song, Can All Birds Fly? All right. So, first, I am going to sing it alone. And second, you are going to sing along with me. Is that a deal? Great. So, let's begin. Can all birds fly? Can all birds fly? Some birds can, some birds can't. Can all birds fly? Can all birds fly? Some birds can, some birds can't. Some can swim. Now sing along with me. Can all birds fly? Can all birds fly? Some birds can, some birds can't. Can all birds fly? Can all birds fly? Some birds can, some birds can't. Some can swim. Good job! Thank you for singing along with me. Now, look at the picture. What animals do you like? Which of the animals in the picture do you like? Oh, so you like the monkey hanging on the tree in the picture. Okay, now look at the picture and see, what bird is it? What bird is it? Okay, so please read this. A magpie. Can you repeat that? A magpie. Great. Okay, so look at the picture and say the complete sentence. This is a magpie. Can you repeat that? This is a magpie. Great. Now, okay, look and say, how many magpies do you see? Two magpies. Can you repeat that? Two magpies. Okay, now look at the picture and say the sentence about magpies. Magpies are birds. Can you repeat that? Magpies are birds. Good. Okay, so now you actually did a very good job. And because of that, you have one magic star. Okay, now click and say, find all the magpies in the picture and click, click, click each one. Good. Now look at the picture and say the sentence about magpies. Magpies are birds. Can you repeat that? Magpies are birds. Second sentence about magpies. Magpies can fly. Can you repeat that? Magpies can fly. Great, great job. Okay, so now, wonderful. And because of that, I'm going to give you one, two. You now have two magic stars. Yoo-hoo! Okay, now look at the picture and say, what bird is it? What bird is it? A penguin. Can you repeat that? A penguin. Great job. So now look, look at the picture and say the complete sentence. This, this is a penguin. Okay. This is a penguin. Can you repeat that? This is a penguin. Great. Okay. Now look at the picture and say, how many penguins do you see? Two penguins. Can you repeat that? Two penguins. Great. Okay. So look at the picture and say the complete sentence. Penguins are birds. Can you repeat that? Penguins are birds. Okay, good. So now look, drag and say, the penguin lost its one wing. Find the correct penguin's wing. That's right. So I am giving you three magic stars now. Yay! And also, I want to give you this burger. Do you like burgers? Okay. This is for you. All right. Now, okay. I want you to look at the picture again and read two sentences about penguins. Okay. So read this. Penguins are birds. Can you repeat that? Penguins are birds. Another sentence about penguins. Penguins cannot fly. Can you repeat that? Penguins cannot fly. All right. So penguins cannot fly. They are birds, but they cannot fly. Okay. So let's move on. Now, magpies and penguins are both birds. Magpies, what can magpies do? Read the first sentence. Magpies can fly. Can you repeat that? Magpies can fly. What about penguins? Penguins cannot fly. Can you repeat that? Penguins cannot fly. Okay, so there are birds that can fly. There are also birds that cannot fly. So that is what you learned today. Now, I want you to answer the questions in complete sentences. Click and answer. First question. Can penguins fly? Penguins cannot fly. Very good. Second question. Are magpies birds? Yes, magpies are birds. Click your answer. Now, you are just amazing. And because of that, I'm giving you one, two, three, four. You now have four magic stars. Okay, now let's continue. So we are actually done with the lesson, and I just want you to remember that there are birds that can fly. There are also birds that cannot fly. Now, do you know any other birds that cannot fly? Okay. But that will be your homework. And for today, I just want you to read the sentences about magpies and penguins. Read the first sentence. Magpies can fly. And the second sentence, penguins cannot fly. Okay. Good job. So now, okay. All right. So you did a very great job today. And because of that, I'm giving you all the five magic stars. Give me a high five. Give me another high five. All right. It was great to see you today, and I want to see you next time. Goodbye. Bye bye.